Most meme coin traders really don't have a stopping point, if I'm keeping it honest with you. They mostly just trade until they're tired or until their account like force them to stop. But that's basically backwards, and I'm not gonna lie to you. You should know exactly when you're done before the day even starts, if I'm keeping it real. But there are 4 clear signals. First, when you hit your daily loss limit, that is one of the main reasons that you could stop, right? This should be written down before you take your first trade. Okay, well, example, if you're trading maybe 10% of your account, right? That's how much you have inside of the trade. You should only be able to let it go down 20%, which would be 2% of your overall account. And that's how much you should really stop for the day. Not one good setup, not I'll size smaller, you're just done. And it's because like most big red days don't come from like the first loss. Basically they come from what you do after it. Second, you broke your rules. Okay, if you take a trade that wasn't a part of your plan, your strategy, or whatever it is, that's basically like a warning sign in a way. If you break 2 rules, then you should be done for the day. Like straight up. If you break 1 rule, you should still be done for the day, right? If you break all your rules, you need to step back and refocus and re-strategize. If you feel frustrated, rushed, or even overly confident, or desperate even, yeah, that makes it happen a lot more than it could happen usually. Fourth, if you hit your trade limit, if you're like, hey, I'm gonna take maybe this amount of trades in this day, right, and you go over that amount, then that's another rule that you're breaking, and that's just going to be another reason for you to overtrade and genuinely blow your back out to your account that you have. And you want to know something crazy that most people really don't realize? Stopping early is like, in its own way, it's like a skill. There will always be another day for you to come back. There will always be another day where the market is like going to be better. There's always going to be a day when price action is going to be better. But the truth is, you just got to keep on showing up and you got to keep on coming through it. You don't get paid for screen time, you get paid for controlled decisions. I learned that from someone. Please don't quote me though. The goal is to protect your capital. Okay, protect your capital, protect your funds, protect what you have, or else you're just going to lose it. And then you're going to learn nothing. And then crypto is a very dangerous game. You can lose your mentality very fast. And keeping it real, your emotions do not protect your account. It's your discipline, which does. I have a free Discord in the link in the description, which I really see nobody talking about, honestly. And it's about teaching people how to actually keep up with their mentality and discipline so they can actually do profitable things, because half of the time you already have the strategy, right, but you don't have the discipline. That'll make you lose your account if you're having 3 bad trades in a row. So we practice that. It's free to start. You're free to join. You can check out. Yeah.